Hello and welcome to all. Today's session we'll see prerequisites or setups required for Cursor AI for Selenium Test Automation. Okay, so if in case you are using Selenium with Java in your project for automation, then today's session will see what are the setup is required to perform the automation script fast using Cursor AI. Okay, so before we start, first we'll understand what is the Cursor AI quickly. Cursor AI is an AI-powered code editor built on top of Visual Studio Code. Okay, and as we saw in last session, it helps in generating the Selenium code. It fixes the compilation errors. It helps to write the XPath CSS locators, and definitely it improves the productivity. Okay, so for this one, we need to give a prompt. Okay, like simple English, like create a Selenium Java login automation using TestNG and cursor generate the code, and after that we can just review the code and we can use the code in our framework. Okay, so we'll see how we'll perform the setup. Okay, so for that one, first we need to install the cursor. Okay, and this is the official website. Okay, so we need to download the cursor and we need to install the cursor. Okay, if you don't know how to install the cursor, you can just refer my earlier video. I have clearly mentioned how we can install the cursor and how we will open the cursor. Okay, so that it include the AI capability inside the editor. Okay. So once you install the cursor, we also require a Java. Okay, Java Development Kit or JDK. We can also install the Java from oracle.com website. Okay, and after that we need to set the Java underscore home, and we can just confirm whether Java is installed correctly or not, giving the Java hyphen version. Okay, then we also required a IDE, integrated development environment. We can also install the Eclipse. Okay, since we are using the Maven for the dependency purpose, we can also download the Maven, latest Maven, and we can set the Maven underscore home and execute the Maven hyphen version. Okay, so that will confirm which Maven version we have installed. Okay. Then we can also use the WebDriver, okay, WebDriver manager, okay, and we'll add all the dependencies. Okay, if in case we are using the TestNG, okay, we will also use the TestNG dependencies. And for the test data, if in case we are using the XLS or XLSX, okay, then we can also refer or give the dependencies in test in pom.xml. Okay, so how we'll configure? Okay, once we open the Eclipse, we'll configure everything, and after that we'll open the cursor. Okay, and we'll use the AI to generate the automation script instead of manually writing everything. Okay, and for that one, we'll give the prompt like create Selenium Java test in the script for login page automation, and we'll give the use Chrome driver, add assertion, use proper weights. Okay, so this way it will generate the script for the login script, okay, login page, and we'll copy that script in our test engine, and we can execute the Selenium test. Okay, cursor helps to generate the code, but execution still will do through Java plus Maven plus Selenium ecosystem. That means from Eclipse we will do it. Okay, and like as I mentioned, we can also use the cursor to fix the compilation errors. Okay, or if in case you want to add the web driver weight explicitly, you just mention add web driver weight for the all elements. Okay, it in cursor. Okay, it will add it. Then we need to review it and add the script. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll quickly open the Eclipse and create a Java Maven project. Okay, so just I have opened the Eclipse and I'm going to create a new Maven project. Okay, create a Maven project, and we'll just simply mention, okay, cursor demo 3. Okay, we'll create the Maven project. use default workspace I will mention, and here I will go cursor demo 3. I will going to click on finished. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to create a Maven project in Eclipse. Okay, so meanwhile project is getting created, we'll quickly confirm the Java version. Okay, so for that one we'll just simply come here, Java hyphen version. Okay, here you can see Java 17.0.6 we are using. Same way Maven hyphen version, we'll check it. Okay, this is a Maven hyphen version. Okay, so here you can see Apache Maven 3.8.8 we are using. Okay, and yeah, here my Maven project is getting created. Okay, now here you can see, okay, Maven project got created. Okay, so earlier we were writing a script explicitly. Okay, before that we need to add the dependencies. So what I will do, I will open the google.com and I will remove all the dependencies. Okay, and here simply I will say Selenium with Java Maven dependency. Okay, simply come here, and from here Maven repository. Okay, so I'm going to use, you can use any latest, so I'm going to open using the 4.40. Okay, just simply come here, open the Eclipse pom.xml, and here just add it. Similar way, if in case you want to use the test ng, okay, come here, test ng Maven dependency, click on search. Okay, okay, I will use 7.11.0, copy, and okay, so now here you can see I have not added any code. So what we will do, okay, it's compiling, building the things. Okay, so I am going to remove the, since inside code it is using the test test ng file. Okay, now I updated the, yeah, test ng 7.11. Okay, earlier code it was referring the JUnit, but we have removed it, right? Now we are using test ng. So here, instead of creating the new file, okay, so instead of that one I'm going to open the cursor. Here you can see, so here from you can open the cursor. Okay, like as I shown in last session, then come to file, open folder, and you give the same path. Like here I gave mentioned the my earlier project path, like same way, whatever the path your workspace is there, you open it. Okay, and in under the source, okay, under the test you can see login. Okay, so this is the login scripts created. So here simply come here, and in this new agent, okay, you just simply mention, give the prompt like create Selenium Java test script for login page, use Chrome driver, add a session, use proper weights. Copy here. Okay, I'm going to copy. Okay, you just simply, okay, copy. So now I'm not going to click here since my token will utilize here. Okay, so I already copied the code here. Okay, once you clicked here, okay, it will automatically generate the code here, you can see. Okay, you just copy and paste, okay, here, and execute it. Okay, so here you can see, as I mentioned, it will use the assertions. Okay, here you can see it's put the assertions and it's used for the Chrome driver. Okay, so this way we can use the cursor in Selenium with Java using TestNG. If in case you have any questions, queries, please let me know. Thank you.